When it comes to increasing the value of your home, many homeowners focus on major renovations or updates that require significant investment. However, one of the most effective and cost-efficient ways to make a substantial impact is by upgrading your doors. Whether it's your front door, patio door, or any other entryway, door replacement can drastically improve both the curb appeal and functionality of your home, leading to an increase in property value. In Dallas, where the real estate market is competitive, a well-chosen door replacement can make a significant difference in how buyers perceive your home. In this article, we'll explore how replacing your doors can boost your home's value, enhance its appeal, and improve its overall functionality. Enhancing curb appeal. First impressions matter. Your front door is the first thing visitors or potential buyers see when they approach your home, and it's often the focal point of your home's exterior. A stylish, well-maintained door creates a welcoming atmosphere and makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. Aesthetic appeal. Upgrading your front door to something more modern, elegant, or fitting with the overall style of your home can instantly elevate its exterior. Consider doors made of fiberglass, steel, or wood for both durability and beauty. Adding features like glass inserts, transom windows, or decorative hardware can further enhance its look and make a lasting impression. First impressions matter. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to refresh the look of your home, a new, attractive door makes your home feel more inviting. For buyers, a fresh, high-quality door signals that the rest of the house is likely well maintained. Replacing your front door is one of the quickest ways to improve curb appeal, and it makes your home more inviting to both visitors and potential buyers. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Another major benefit of door replacement is improved energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those made of wood, may have deteriorated over time and no longer provide the insulation your home needs. Gaps, drafts, and old weather stripping contribute to energy loss, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Energy-efficient doors. Replacing your front or patio door with an energy-efficient option can dramatically reduce the energy needed to heat or cool your home. Modern insulated doors come with advanced features such as low-E glass, weather stripping, and multi-point locking systems, all designed to improve insulation and reduce drafts. Lower energy bills. A well-insulated door helps maintain a comfortable temperature in your home and reduces the load on your HVAC system. This can result in lower utility bills, which is an attractive selling point for buyers. Homes that are energy efficient are increasingly in demand, and potential buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with lower operating costs. Security enhancement. Security is a top priority for homeowners, and a sturdy, properly installed door can enhance the overall security of your home. Older doors or those made from weak materials may be vulnerable to break-ins, while new, modern doors offer greater protection. Stronger materials. Replacing an old wooden door with a steel or fiberglass door can significantly increase the security of your home. These materials are much stronger and more resistant to forced entry compared to traditional wooden doors. Upgraded locks. New doors often come with advanced locking mechanisms such as multi-point locks or deadbolts, which provide added security. For instance, storm doors and patio doors with reinforced glass and stronger frames can prevent burglars from entering your home easily. For buyers, knowing that a home has high-quality security features such as strong doors and advanced locks can make it more appealing, boosting your home's marketability and value. Increasing resale value. Replacing doors can offer an excellent return on investment, particularly when you're preparing to sell your home. As one of the first things potential buyers notice, doors make an impact on their perception of the property. A well-maintained home with attractive, functional doors can make it stand out in the competitive Dallas real estate market. Modern appeal. A new door signals that the home is updated and well-maintained, giving buyers confidence in the overall condition of the property. In fact, many buyers look for homes that don't require immediate upgrades, and a new door is an inexpensive yet effective way to make your home more marketable. High ROI. HomeAdvisor estimates that homeowners can recoup as much as 70–80% of the cost of a new entry door upon resale. This makes door replacement one of the highest return home improvements, especially when compared to larger renovations like kitchen remodels or room additions. Improved functionality. Replacing your old doors can also improve the functionality of your home. Older doors can be difficult to open or close, become warped, or even let in drafts. A new, high-quality door will operate smoothly, making it easier for you to enter and exit your home, while also contributing to better insulation and security. Easier operation. Newer doors are designed with the latest technology, which means smoother operation and a more comfortable living experience. For example, sliding doors or French doors can provide better access to outdoor living spaces, making it easier to enjoy your patio or garden. Weather resistance. A modern door is more likely to withstand the elements, especially in Dallas, where extreme temperatures and weather conditions can be harsh on your home's exterior. Weather-resistant doors protect against heat, humidity, and rain, extending the life of your home's entryway. Conclusion. The power of door replacement in boosting Dallas home value. When it comes to improving your home's value and marketability, door replacement is one of the most effective and affordable options available. Whether you're enhancing your home's curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, or upgrading its security, a new door makes a significant impact on your home's overall performance and attractiveness. If you're considering selling or simply looking to improve your home's aesthetic and functionality, replacing your doors is a worthwhile investment that can provide long-term benefits. Consider working with a professional door installer in Dallas to choose the right doors for your home and enjoy the enhanced comfort, style, and value that come with this important upgrade.